Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Amazon order stuck on received. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to fix this is head on over to Amazon.com, sign into your account, and then from here you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down to Amazon's footer. And then from here where it says let us help you, so we need to contact or click onto help. Then basically we need to go ahead and click on, it should say here, do you need help with a recent item? And then go ahead and click on that order that you need help with, or you can go ahead and click on a delivery order return. Go ahead and click on that order that is stuck on received. Then on the next page here, it's going to say, okay, how can we help with this item? Go ahead and click on where's my stuff. Then on the next page, it's going to give us more information about it. And then we can click on check order status as well. And also you might have some options that's going to say status delivered, package not returned, missing tracking information, or carrier contact information. So click on one of the options and then just they're going to tell you when that order is going to be delivered, or you can get more information by clicking onto one of those options down below.